Hi, I'm Rocky Mitarai, Vice President of HCM Product Strategy and Marketing at Oracle, and I am excited to welcome you to this spotlight for Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM Release 26C. Across Oracle Cloud HCM, we have been advancing a broader direction, helping organizations reimagine how work works by bringing more intelligence, context, and action into the places where people, work, and business outcomes come together. Our recent introduction of agentic applications is an important part of that direction. These outcome-driven experiences bring together agents, data, workflows, security, and human oversight, so work can move forward with more intelligence while people stay focused on the decisions that matter most. Release 26C builds on this momentum and makes it even more tangible with a broad set of advancements across the entire suite. AI-powered guidance, workflow automation, analytics, modern user experiences are being applied to moments where teams need to understand what is happening, decide what comes next, and keep the right actions moving. For customers, the opportunity is to apply these innovations to the HCM investments that they already have, making the work that their teams are doing easier while creating more room to rethink established processes with greater speed, visibility, and confidence. With that, I am pleased to turn it over to Marcy Van Houten, who will guide us through what is included in this release. Marcy, over to you.
Hi, I'm Marcy Van Houten, Senior Director for Cloud HCM Customer Programs. As Rocky mentioned, Release 26C brings together a broad set of capabilities that customers can begin exploring and adopting right now. Throughout this spotlight, you'll hear directly from our product experts as they showcase key innovations across Oracle Cloud HCM, spanning HR, benefits, analytics, security, payroll, workforce management, talent management, and the Redwood user experience. They'll highlight what's new, why it matters, and how these capabilities can help organizations improve productivity, simplify work, and enhance workforce experiences. Let's take a look at what's included in Release 26C.
Hi, my name is Brian Klebb, Senior Manager of Cloud HCM Product Strategy for Core HR and Employee Experience at Oracle. I'm excited to share the Core HR, benefits, and employee experience innovations in Release 26C. We continue to enhance Oracle journeys with new capabilities that simplify complex business processes such as onboarding and approvals. Traditionally, these processes require multiple separate tasks, increasing administrative effort and limiting visibility. Our new sequential multi-performer task capability enables multiple performers to complete a single task in a defined order. In this release, we are introducing enhanced support across key HR workflows with the Promotion Advisor, Jobs Assistant, Positions Assistant, Documents of Record Management Assistant, Person Data Assistant, and Transaction Console Assistant. Whether it's evaluating promotion readiness, managing jobs and positions, maintaining employee records, updating person data, or monitoring HR transactions, these agents reduce manual effort and provide contextual assistance directly within the flow of work. Our continued investments in AI-powered onboarding are helping organizations accelerate new hire productivity while reducing administrative burden. By bringing personalized learning recommendations, guided setup assistance, and automated document processing into a single conversational experience, employees can complete onboarding tasks faster with greater confidence. And we've added a new assignment change agent to simplify one of the most common HR transactions. This AI-powered experience guides managers and HR specialists through assignment changes such as transfers, promotions, manager updates, and location changes within a single conversational workflow. Managing HCM data security can be complex, especially for large organizations with thousands of users, roles, and security profiles. IT teams often spend significant time investigating access issues, validating configurations, and ensuring compliance with security policies. Our new AI security administration agent simplifies that process by providing IT security managers with a conversational assistant that can analyze, explain, and help maintain HCM security configurations. Administrators can quickly get security overviews for users and roles, compare and troubleshoot access settings, and regenerate ACLs and security profiles, and even leverage their organization's uploaded documentation for guided context-aware support. Another new agent, the Spreadsheet Upload Agent, modernizes HCM Spreadsheet Data Loader data loading by enabling users to upload HR data through a simple conversational experience. By eliminating the need for application desktop framework, desktop integration, and Windows-based environments, organizations can make data imports accessible from virtually any device. Oracle Cloud HCM now allows administrators to attach AI agents directly within document type definitions. When a document is uploaded, the associated agent is automatically invoked to analyze content, extract relevant information, and evaluate business rules. Delivered through our enhanced analytics capabilities, organizations can gain deeper insight into workforce trends and make more informed talent decisions. New analytics help HR leaders identify employees at risk of attrition, understand the key drivers behind that risk, and pinpoint where it is emerging across the organization. And we continue to invest in workforce analytics with new employment contract insights that help organizations better understand contract trends, renewals, expirations, and workforce impact. HR leaders can analyze contract distribution, track fixed-term contract usage over time, and identify correlations between contract types and attrition, enabling more proactive workforce planning, stronger compliance, and better talent decisions. And the feature we're most excited about in this update is our HCM Professional Activity Center. We know that HR professionals spend a significant amount of time searching for employee information, navigating between actions, and managing people-related processes across multiple pages and interfaces. As organizations continue their journey to Redwood, they need a more modern and efficient way to access and act on workforce data. The new HCM Professional Activity Center delivers exactly that. It provides a centralized workspace where HR users can quickly find people, access relevant actions, and manage day-to-day activities from a single streamlined experience. Users can save and rerun frequently used searches, download search results for analysis, and launch quick actions directly from the results page, including opening actions in multiple tabs to work more efficiently. And complementing the HCM Professional Activity Center is the new HCM Professional Concierge, an AI-powered assistant for HR professionals. The concierge provides a single point of entry for workforce questions, guidance, and actions across employment, compensation, absence, talent, workforce structures, and HR policies. By leveraging specialized AI agents, it delivers accurate, role-based responses that help HR teams find information faster, make better decisions, and work more efficiently. Employees often have questions about their benefits, especially when flex credits, multiple plans, and coverage options are involved. The Enhanced Benefits Analyst agent provides a single, trusted source for answers by delivering real-time insights into enrollment, eligibility, coverage, flex credit balances, and even benefits representative information. Benefits decisions can be complex, and employees often want to understand the impact of a life event change before submitting it. Our new life event simulation capability gives benefits administrators a powerful coaching tool to guide employee through those decisions in a no-risk environment. Using actual system logic and eligibility rules, administrators can model life event scenarios and show employees the real impact of changes before any action is taken. The result is fewer errors, less rework, reduced support volume, and a better employee experience, especially during those critical periods like open enrollment and major life events.
Hi, I'm Jane Veeder, Director of Product Strategy for Oracle Recruiting, Recruiting Booster, and Opportunity Marketplace, and Communicate. Let's dive into the exciting new features in 26C. In Opportunity Marketplace, using the new Career Path functionality, employees can now browse roles using a visual discovery experience. This is especially important for audiences that may not be familiar with job architecture, making it easier to understand and engage with career progression. Seeing how roles fit into career paths can help to source talent by uncovering open job and gig opportunities that previously were buried in search recommendations. When jobs are favorited, AI insights provide personalized fit assessments in the browsing experience and help employees connect to key resources. We're also adding a new agentic application to bring internal mobility together in one personalized, proactive, and intelligent workspace for employees to discover their next opportunity, the Career Advancement Command Center. Here, employees get insights about role fitness and match to help uncover roles and gigs, and agents help with taking action on career suggestions, like automatically drafting recommended introduction emails to network with the hiring team. Recommended employee events help employees stay engaged with development initiatives and other organization announcements. In recruiting, the full hiring lifecycle comes together in the hiring workspace for store managers, an agentic app available now for Oracle Recruiting customers supporting retail hiring. Context-driven AI guides store-level hiring leaders to the next best use of their limited time, suggesting requisitions that may need attention or candidates that are uncontacted, and then agents execute the work on behalf of the user, like drafting messages and rescheduling interviews. The goal is to identify and quickly remove blockers to the hiring process, freeing retail leaders to focus on building great teams. We're also adding workflow agents in Oracle Recruiting that can automatically create candidate pools and draft campaigns. These workflow agents can be triggered by Activity Center tasks or candidate selection process actions. This enables powerful sourcing automation, where factors like low requisition volume create candidate pools of suggested matches and stages content for a campaign to that pool. All the user needs to do is review what the agents created and send. In this release, we've also delivered a long-awaited enhancement to offers. Now it's possible to capture multiple signatures within an offer packet. This enhancement also includes the ability to collect more information via questionnaire immediately upon offer acceptance, making it even easier to capture important information during the recruit-to-hire process. Another highly requested enhancement, especially from healthcare and education customers, is in 26C, non-workers can now be included as candidates in Oracle Recruiting. This can greatly expand sourcing and talent pools and assist with duplicate checking and tracking for important use cases, like hiring volunteers into paying roles. In Recruiting Booster, we are launching a new intelligent work area to support high-quality data capture and interviewing, the Interview Companion. This work area is powered by agents that help to assemble interview resources, provide a summary of candidates as well as detailed profile information, and a space to capture notes. The agent collects a transcript of the meeting from Zoom or Teams and helps to pre-fill interview feedback after the interview has taken place. This greatly enhances the data captured from the interview process, and that feeds the AI overview and other areas where fit and candidate activity are surfaced. One enhancement I'm particularly excited about is the Candidate Outreach Agent. This merges the world of messaging, sourcing, campaigning, and AI to invite large groups of candidates to apply to a job with a personalized assessment of the prospect's fit for a role. Hiring team members can schedule automated, template-based follow-ups as well as review and modify generated messages for quality and tone before sending. Because this is delivered as part of two-way messaging, candidate responses can be tracked and managed centrally, and outreach will be available across messaging channels, with email in 26C and then expanding to SMS and WhatsApp next. Also in 26C, Recruiting Booster supports hiring events for internal talent. This enables organizations to run job fairs and career discovery events targeting internal mobility, which helps to raise awareness of career opportunities within the organization. Employees can discover and register for hiring events in Opportunity Marketplace. Another powerful enhancement for hiring events is the ability to link requisitions to hiring events. This connection between event registrations, pipelines, and requisitions simplifies the visibility and management of prospects and candidates across various stages of engagement. Additionally, this increases the visibility of the attached jobs to candidates. New in Communicate in 26C, we've added support for Slack, so now Communicate campaign owners can create Slack-optimized content delivered as messages in Slack channels. This helps to reach employees where they work and drive them into tasks, information, and action across HCM and Fusion applications. Get insight about the performance of posts and campaigns directly within Communicate to track how audiences react and respond to messages, all from a centralized workspace. We're also excited to announce employee communities for Communicate that enables employees to discover and join groups of employees for any cause or interest. Run clubs, snack tasting, diversity groups, anything your employees are interested in can bring teams together. Employees can opt into community self-service, or they can be added and managed by community administrators. Administrators can engage and organize their community using posts, campaigns, and events delivered by Communicate.
Hi, I'm Kautul Mehta, Senior Director of Product Strategy for Oracle Learning Development. I'll be covering learning, development, dynamic skills, and talent management innovations in the 26C release. Agentic learning courses change how learning content reaches employees by delivering course material through a conversational interface. Learning administrators can quickly create, author, and deploy these agentic courses using any existing learning collateral, so new material gets in front of learners without delay. Because learners move through the content in a guided, conversational way, they reach proficiency sooner, completion rates improve, and the organization sees a faster path from content creation to deployment to skill and business outcomes. The Learning Catalog calendar view brings a familiar calendar experience to instructor-led training for learners, managers, instructors, and administrators. Users can see scheduled events and offerings in month, week, day, or list formats, hover for quick details, and open panel drawers to act directly from the calendar. whether that means enrolling, requesting, assigning, or joining a waitlist. The Learning Creation Assistant now understands a richer set of details when building learning. Administrators can specify instructor, classroom, author, learning coordinator, and supplier attributes, and the assistant resolves these to the matching internal records when creating events, activities, and self-paced learning items. It also supports attachments, so supporting materials can be included as part of the creation process. The Learning Assignments Assistant agent helps learning administrators update many learning assignments at once using simple, natural language instructions. Administrators can reach the agent from any page where they manage assignments. From there, they can run mass actions such as marking assignments complete, withdrawing learners, undoing completions, and so on. By handling these updates in bulk through conversational instructions, the agent reduces the manual effort and errors involved in managing learning assignments and gives administrators a faster, more consistent way to keep assignment records accurate. Real-time grow recommendations remove the wait that employees used to experience when exploring career roles. Previously, recommendations appeared only after the background job had run. Now, the moment an employee favorites a career role, the system generates relevant skills and qualifications recommendations and displays them immediately on the Grow page. This means employees can take action right away and plan their learning paths more efficiently with no delay between expressing interest in a role and seeing how to grow toward it. The Grow Coach agent gives employees personalized learning guidance directly on the Grow page. It analyzes multiple sections of the page, including manager recommendations, current role gaps, skills in development, careers of interest, and current learning, and uses that context to deliver prioritized upskilling advice. Employees can ask the agent flexible questions in natural language, such as what they should learn next, a quick win course for their career gaps, or what can they learn in 30 minutes. By tailoring recommendations to each person's skill gaps and career goals, it helps employees spend their time on the development that moves their careers forward. The Skills Center user experience has been redesigned to make skills monitoring and development simpler and more transparent. Employees and managers can more easily understand skill requirements and track progress toward the skill target proficiency level. The streamlined experience provides clear visibility for all, supporting more effective development and growth. Career Explorer in Opportunity Marketplace helps employees discover career opportunities within the organization. Employees can explore administrator-curated career paths and receive recommendations based on historical career movement patterns. The experience helps you understand you are fit for career roles, identify development opportunities, and discover relevant jobs and gigs aligned to your interests. This increased visibility empowers employees to take informed next steps in their career growth journey. Our intelligent talent profile search agent helps managers and HR specialists quickly identify the best internal talent for staffing, projects, and career opportunities. Using a broad set of talent data, the solution delivers more intelligent employee matches based on criteria expressed in natural language. This reduces the time required to find qualified talent, improves internal mobility, and helps connect the right people to the right opportunities. The Team Talent Calibration and Review Workspace agentic app gives managers a single space to prepare for calibration discussions with confidence. By bringing together organizational targets and key metrics, it helps leaders quickly identify areas that need attention. The agent provides AI-powered recommendations for talent ratings along with suggested corrective actions. And managers can also interact with the agent in real time for guidance. This enables leaders to focus on exceptions and strategic discussions in the calibration meeting. The Check-in Calendar Integration Assistant for both performance and touchpoint check-ins makes it easy for employees and managers to schedule check-in conversations without the hassle of coordinating calendars. This streamlined experience eliminates scheduling back and forth, saves valuable time, and helps ensure timely check-ins that support employee development and engagement. Now, HR professionals can create and publish organization goals on behalf of leaders and executives. HR can search for the managers they support, create goals for them with the necessary details and metrics, and publish them directly after role validation. By reducing dependency on leader participation in the system, organizations can ensure goals are published on time and improve consistency across goal-setting processes.
Hi, I'm Felicia Cheek, Director of Cloud HCM Strategy for Payroll. I'm excited to share the workforce management and payroll innovation highlights for 26C. The enhanced time off assistant allows employees to complete common absence tasks through a conversational experience. Employees can now create, edit, withdraw, and delete absences for elapsed-based employees, including full day, partial day, first half, and second half day requests. Building on this conversational experience, we've also introduced new AI agent business objects that enable donation and cash disbursement transactions through AI-powered interactions. Together, these enhancements reduce navigation and administrative effort, improve user adoption through guided experiences, and create a foundation for employees to complete more absence management tasks directly through AI, increasing efficiency while maintaining policy compliance and data accuracy. The Workforce Operations Command Center is an agentic application that brings scheduling, time, and absence management into a single intelligent workspace. It surfaces the most critical workforce priorities in a real-time view with insights, helping managers quickly identify risk, coverage gaps, attendance issues, and emerging workforce trends. The solution goes beyond visibility by providing AI-driven recommendations and orchestrating actions through specialized agents. Managers can automate workflows such as approvals, schedule adjustments, notifications, and workforce communications, and view analytics before taking action just by asking Oracle. Ultimately, it helps organizations operate more efficiently while enabling managers and frontline teams to focus on higher value work. The Workers' Team Schedule view provides employees with a clear, centralized view of their coworkers' published schedules, helping teams coordinate more effectively. Built with Schedule Generation Profile, or SGP, visibility rules, the experience ensures workers only see schedules they are authorized to access. By increasing schedule transparency, this feature makes it easier for workers to coordinate shift swaps, pick up open shifts, and collaborate across teams. The result is improved workforce awareness, reduced scheduling friction, stronger coverage planning, and more efficient utilization of staffing results. The Fairness and Priority Options for Labor Optimization feature gives schedule managers greater control over how workforce schedules are generated. Rather than relying on a one-size-fits-all approach, managers can select scheduling strategies that best align with operational goals and workforce needs. By putting these controls directly in the hands of managers, organizations can better align schedules with business priorities, can improve compliance with workforce rules, and create a fair employee experience. The result is stronger coverage, more efficient labor utilization, and greater flexibility to adapt scheduling strategies as business conditions change. The Team Time Change Request Mass Approval feature helps managers and timekeepers process employee time change requests more efficiently. From the Team Change Request page, users can select multiple requests at once and approve or reject them through a streamlined mass approval workflow. By simplifying high-volume approval activities, organizations can accelerate time correction processing, improve responsiveness to employee requests, and reduce administrative workload for managers and timekeepers. The result is faster approvals, greater operational efficiency, and a more streamlined time management process. Dynamic break management gives schedulers and managers greater control and visibility into employee break scheduling. The feature captures detailed pay and unpaid break, start and end times directly within assigned shifts, helping organizations move beyond simple break duration tracking. By providing precise break management and enforcing compliance rules, organizations can improve adherence to labor policies, enhance communication between managers and workers, and make more informed staffing decisions. The result is stronger compliance, improved workforce planning, and more accurate coverage management throughout the day. The compliance dashboard in Oracle Fusion HCM Payroll gives payroll managers a centralized view of legislative updates, including effective dates, impacted jurisdictions, drill-down details, and AI-generated summaries. By making compliance changes easier to understand and manage, payroll teams can access impact, plan ahead, reduce manual tracking, and execute with greater confidence. The tax calculation statement delivered through the Payroll Run Analyst agent gives payroll administrators a clear breakdown of how each tax was calculated for a specific employee and payroll run. Administrators can ask questions to see which taxes applied, how amounts were derived, and what drove the final result, all within the payroll analysis experience. This reduces manual research, improves transparency, strengthens compliance confidence, and helps teams investigate, validate, and resolve tax questions faster. The bank details agent helps employees set up and update payroll payment information through a guided conversational experience during onboarding or self-service. Available through the onboarding agent and employee concierge, it simplifies payroll banking tasks, reduces support requests, improves accuracy, and helps ensure employees are paid correctly and on time.
There is so much in this release we look forward to seeing our customers adopt and use. We covered how our latest investments in Cloud HCM 26C across agentic apps, AI agents, and workflow enhancements are designed to improve outcomes, not just add features. And we have even more innovations to share in 26C that we were unable to highlight within this spotlight. For more information on all of the features in Oracle Cloud HCM Release 26C, please use these links or scan the QR code. At Oracle, we are committed to delivering innovation that matters, working closely with you, our customers, to ensure functionality, flexibility, and extensibility that you need to stay future-ready and thrive in an era of agentic AI. Thank you for your time today. We look forward to seeing you again next quarter when we'll shine the spotlight on Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM Release 26D.